Namaskar, I am Vaidya Gogate from Vaidya Gogate Memorial Foundation, Pune, here to make a short appeal. We are observing Viddhakarma Day on 4th February to mark the birth anniversary of Vaidya Ramchandra Gogate sir. This day is dedicated to promoting and rejuvenating two classical Ayurvedic therapies, Viddhakarma and Agnikarma Chikitsa. On this day, we invite all Vaidyas and Ayurvedic institutions to conduct meaningful activities such as free Agnikarma and Viddhakarma Chikitsa at your OPD, conduction of camps, conduction of lectures in your college or institution, conduction of lectures at your local mandals or housing societies or clubs to explain the benefits of Agnikarma and Viddhakarma Chikitsa. As a token of appreciation and acknowledgement to all participants, we will be providing 10% discount on our upcoming seminar in 2026 along with priority registration benefits. All we require from you is documentation of the activity that you conducted, like photos, videos or number of patients, etc. Let's come together and celebrate Viddhakarma Day this year in its true spirit. Thank you.